The Campania Outdoor Lounge set comes in a beautiful charcoal grey. It's majestic, versatile and is modular, so it can be rearranged to suit any occasion. Make outdoor living a beautiful experience. The cushions are made from a high density foam and they feature a fabric that's UV protected and waterproof. And the framing is made from a powder coated steel. Being steel, it's very sturdy and suitable for New Zealand winds. It has a length of 142 centimetres and a depth of 71 centimetres. The table has a length of 120 centimetres and a width of 70 centimetres.